Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to add data in Arcmap. So we shall go to add data tool, then you click on drop down arrow. You will click on the folder where your data is located. For example, mine is located in desktop data. I shall click there. Then I shall click the shapefile that I need to display on the worksheet. So for example, I shall click Word shapefile, which is in form of SHP. So I shall click add. So you can see that my data has added onto the working sheet, and you can see on the table of content at the layers panel this layer of the world data has been added here. So I shall remove this layer so that I can show you another method to add data in Arcmap. You shall come right click on the layers panel, then you shall click add data, then you shall just do the same as we have done. Go to location of your data, then open your data. So allow me to show you another method to add data in Arcmap. You shall go to add data tool, then connect it to folder tool, then go to the folder where your data is located. For example, mine is located at desktop data. Then I shall click where it is located, then I shall click on world shapefile. So I shall add. So you can see those are three processes or three methods that you can use to add data in Arcmap to share, so that I can show you how to generalize linear features. To share, subscribe and like.